Well, hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Nuggets Van Life. Now, haven't been able to go out and explore this weekend due to work, but I've made a few modifications in Alfie that I want to show you instead. Now, as many of you will know, I've had a few issues over the time I've had this where I'm trying to figure out how I can cook in this quite easily, and I've came up with something I'm really quite proud of. And if this works, this is what I call a prototype. So first of all, we've got this netting which I'm using just to hold in my cooking stuff. This might change around because up on the roof here I've got some that I've velcroed up which seem to be lasting a lot better. But the real thing I want to show you is this piece of MDF that I've formed on drawers to fit just underneath the seats. When the seats are all the way back, it fits in, but I'll slide it all the way out, open this up, and there we go. I've got enough room to have a good cooker stove on there. Let's put that on the right way and I'll show you what I mean. There we go, the cooker stove is there. Turn it on, set it up, turn it on. Somewhere we can cook food quickly and easily. In theory it should be quickly and easily anyway. Not a great demonstration today, but as we get used to it more and more you will see what I mean. I was a little worried that this is going to be too heavy on this end and that it might start to lift up. We can add some weight on the back end eventually anyway. This is only a prototype and see how we get on, but overall I'm pretty happy with it. Only thing I've got to be careful of is just to let it cool down before I pack that away. So that's easy. I'll pack that away, folding it up, that just folds back, slides back, I'll lift that up. This net might change in a not too distant future. So that's what I have built for somewhere to cook on. How it's going to work out, I don't know. We're going to keep trying that. As I say, this is a prototype. If it works, we'll expand it and improve upon it. Something I'm keen to do with this is try and make sure everything is worth its space and it lasts. But something I've also done, because the space is of a premium, I've added another net in the roof, in the ceiling, which is suspended using the handles in the ceiling as well, and that currently has my blinds, the thermal blinds that I use when I've slept out, and I'm hoping to get more sleeping equipment up there because that's a really nice storage actually out the way. Seems to work quite nicely. The trouble I have at the moment, the thermal blinds are so big and take up so much room. I've got to find a better way of trying to get everything in here to be well, smaller, better spaced curtains. And then there's water as well. I do have some cans that I carry for water, but again we're having a bit of a dilemma if they're going to be in the way or not. This is where I'm not rushing to do anything. I'm living with it and just seeing what works as and when. Well, what I don't want to do with Alfie is modify it too much that we lose the 8 seats, the essence of the car. So it's very much staying as a car that we camp in, a stealth camper I guess. So yeah, all I need to do now is go out on some more adventures and test the equipment out and see quite how well it works. But if anybody does have any suggestions or thoughts on things I can do, especially with the curtains, I'd really appreciate it. Let me know in the comments, and please don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Until next time, in our next adventure, take care.